downtown Disney, and we're getting some beignets right now. And I also got some ears too. And we're gonna go to World of Disney. So see you there. So right now we're at the Disneyland Hotel and we're looking at the merch. And I think this is our last stop. Here's the plush wall. And next we're gonna go to a store and then I think we'll be done. And then I'll just show you guys my haul. I actually didn't know that they had a pin. That's really cute. They have this one too. I like this. They also have the bag. Guys, look what I got. We're at the GardenWalk. Yes. Okay. I'm so excited. I'm fine with literally anybody but else you. Oh, whoops, sorry. Let's put that away. Like that. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Here. Oh my gosh, you can see her. Oh my gosh, cutie! She's a cutie! She's from here. It's a 360. Oh, she's on a little acorn! So cool. Hey guys, so it's been a little while since we came back, and I wanted to show you guys my haul because I got quite a bit of stuff. The first thing I got were these Cruella ears, and I've been wanting these for so long. They're so cute, and I love that they're fluffy, and I love the colors. So yeah, I think they're cute. So this is the first thing I got. I'm super excited to wear these. The next thing I got was this little pin. It has 0, and I believe that is the cat, like Sally's cat. So it's them together, and this is so cute. I had to get it. And then afterwards we actually went to Company D, which is like it's like a Disney like discount store kind of. So I got this little basket and towel set because it's Tiana and I love her so much. So let's open this. Okay, so I took the little tie off, and here's the little basket. It says good food is a balancing act. This is so cute. I love it. Let's unwrap the towel. Okay, so it looks like it says the same thing as the basket. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. This is the best I can do to fold it back. But yeah, that was really cute. I love this a lot. So after going there, we went to the Anaheim garden walk, and that's where I actually got the little mystery figure. I've been wanting one of these so bad, but I haven't seen like one of those little Pop Mart like little pop-ups anywhere, and I was literally so shocked when I saw these. I was like, oh my gosh, like I had to get one. So let me just show you guys again like which one I got. I love these character designs like so much. They're all so cute, and that's why I think it's so worth to get these, because honestly they're all cute. Like, I love her. This is Poppy on an acorn. So shout out to Pop Mart and Peach Riot. This is her little art on the little card. It says Punk Fairy Peach Riot. I love them. I love them. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.